definition of beauty keeps on changing due to ongoing trends. BBL effect or Brazilian butt lift effect is one of the biggest trends these days, which you might consider to improve the contours of your lower body. But there are many questions that can puzzle your mind, like how is the procedure done? Am I a suitable candidate for this procedure? When can I see the results? Are the results permanent? And what is the recovery like? Hi everyone, I am Dr. Anshu Mishra. I am a cosmetic and plastic surgeon, and today I will be answering all these questions related to Brazilian butt lift procedure. What is Brazilian butt lift procedure? It is a body shaping or a body contouring procedure, rather a specialized fat transfer technique to increase the size and shape of your buttock to make it more proportional to your body. Using liposuction techniques, fat is first harvested from the areas where there is excess fat deposits present, like over abdomen, flanks, back, thighs, and then it is very strategically transferred to the specific areas of the buttocks to give a perkier or round appearance to your buttocks. So who are the candidates for this procedure? The overall shape and proportion of the person's buttocks is largely determined by the genetics and the underlying skeletal framework. But those who have lost the natural shape due to weight fluctuations, aging, hormonal changes, pregnancy, or there are depressions present in the lateral sides which are known as hip dips, or if there is asymmetry present, or those who are following healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, but are not able to attain the desired shape of the buttocks, can opt for this procedure. How is the procedure done? This is the daycare procedure which is done under general anesthesia. Your plastic surgeon would assess the areas of excess fat deposits in your body like abdomen, flanks, back, thighs, buttocks. And not only that, the quality of the skin, the underlying muscle of your buttock, whether there are hip dips present or any asymmetry present would also be assessed. After all these assessments, it would be easy to analyze whether you have an A-shaped frame or a V-shaped frame, a round frame or a square frame. All these things are important to make a plan that where the liposuction should be done and in which areas the fat should be transferred for a more proportionate and a more improved contours of the body. Now, fat is harvested using small incisions in the hidden areas with the help of the instruments called cannulas. It is then processed, purified, and again transferred back to the buttocks. Now, whatever fat is transferred, about 30 to 40% of it gets reabsorbed by the body and within 3 to 4 weeks, and whatever retains thereafter will stay lifelong. So the next question is, what is the recovery like? There will be pain after the surgery for around 3 to 5 days, which will be taken care of by the medications prescribed by your doctor. There will be bruising and swelling which would take around 3 to 4 weeks to settle. Swelling might take a little longer to settle. You will need to sleep on your tummy or on your sides for a minimum of 2 weeks. You should also avoid sitting for around 2 weeks or use special BBL pillows or donut shaped seats to avoid any pressure on the areas where fat has been transferred. A special pressure garment needs to be worn for around 6 to 8 weeks. You can resume your day-to-day activities a day after the surgery, but you have to restrict any strenuous activities or exercise for minimum of 6 to 8 weeks. The next question is, when can I see the results and are the results permanent? So you will be able to see the visible results immediately after the procedure, but as the tissue swelling subsides, as around 30 to 40% of the fat gets absorbed, you will be able to see the final results in about 6 to 8 months. And whatever fat retains after 2 months of the procedure or 2 to 3 months of the procedure would retain lifelong and is permanent. But with aging and weight fluctuation, the appearance of the buttock might change with time. For any further queries, you can book your consultation. Thank you.